Today we're diving into Hyperliquid, one of the most talked about crypto trading apps right now, and honestly, it's very different from your typical exchange. So what exactly is Hyperliquid? It's a decentralized trading platform built on its own custom blockchain, designed specifically for speed and performance. Unlike traditional crypto apps where a company controls your funds, Hyperliquid is non-custodial, meaning you stay in full control of your assets at all times. What really makes this app stand out is its focus on advanced trading, especially perpetual futures. These are contracts that let you trade crypto with leverage without an expiration date. In simple terms, you can bet on whether prices go up or down, and potentially multiply your profits, but also your risks. Another big advantage is speed. Hyperliquid is built to process thousands of transactions per second with very low latency, which gives it a trading experience similar to centralized exchanges. At the same time, everything happens on-chain, so it's transparent and verifiable. The mobile app brings this experience directly to your phone. You can open trades, track markets, and get real-time notifications when your orders are executed. It basically gives you full access to a professional trading platform anytime, anywhere. You also get access to advanced tools like charts, analytics, and risk management features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. But let's be real, this isn't a beginner-friendly app for everyone. Trading with leverage can be risky, and if you don't understand what you're doing, you can lose money very quickly. Also, since it's part of the decentralized finance world, it may feel more complex compared to simple apps like Coinbase or Binance. Overall, Hyperliquid is a powerful app that's pushing the future of decentralized trading. It combines speed, control, and advanced features in one platform, but it's best suited for users who are serious about trading and understand the risks. So the question is, would you trust a decentralized app like this with your trades, or do you prefer traditional exchanges? Let me know what you think in the comments.